Go on your menu and the metal plate. Then resize it so it looks the bottom of a large Skibidi toilet. Then get another metal plate and resize it to make it look like the base of a toilet. Then get another plate and resize it to make it look like the seat of a toilet. Then get another and make it look like the back of a toilet. After that, select it all and parent it together. Then you want to get a melon, pumpkin, corn, or apple, and take of their arms and legs, and then put them all together to delete them. After that, resize the melon to make it fit the toilet. Then resize the melon's body and make it look like a neck. Then put the melon on the last layer. Then put it in the toilet. After that, get a rope and connect the melon to the toilet. After that, get a metal plate and resize it to make it look like the goggles of the toilet. Then connect it to the head and leave a bit sticking out. Then get an apple and put it on the last layer. If you want the dot smaller, resize it. Put it in the goggle and leave a tiny bit out. Then connect the apple to the goggles or head. And it should be like that. Now you want to get a propeller and resize it to be longer. Then connect it with the exact same rope that I used for goggles. After all of that, you want to get a flamethrower and resize it in width and length. And then put it on the top layer. And then that it finished, I hope you enjoyed. And tell me in the comments if anything went wrong.